One day, Chad came home after visiting Tom and Julie, said, hey, I offered to purchase their business if they ever wanted to retire. And I said, okay. I'm like, a little nerve-wracking. So we came to the shop and I met them, and they're amazing people, and we just clicked right away, and it just felt right. Hi, I'm Jamie Sesing, and I'm CEO of JTD Enterprises.
I am Chad Sesing. I am the VP and Plant Manager of JTD Enterprises. So what had gone through my head 3 years ago was Jamie and I had looked at purchasing another CNC machine tool shop, but it just didn't feel right. You gotta look at the customers, you gotta look at the people that are operating the company, you gotta look at some of the history and just the quality of work that JTD pumped out. Anybody can make anything, but it takes true craftsmanship to make something to print or spec.
One of the many reasons why we decided to go ahead and work with Tom and Julie and acquire JTD was their people. They have a great team that they've built. They treat it like their own. You walk in the door and there's only smiles.
They've created a culture. They've empowered the people. They're not going to ask anybody to do anything that they wouldn't do themselves, and that's the same kind of person that we are, basically. As a hot sales rep, I was very involved with the people of the business and the product that I could offer them that made the most sense for the solution. I didn't want to just sell them another piece of equipment just to get another piece of equipment on the books, because I didn't want to build my rapport in that way, right, from a quality standpoint, that I like to build from my reputation, just kind of who I am as a person.
I have a background in business and accounting, so that'll help me take over the role that Julie is in right now. But I'm also really excited to keep on the tradition of keeping a positive environment, build a good relationship and family like they did.
My experience at IMTS has been going on since 2008. As an exhibitor at IMTS since 2008, it was very interesting setting up all the booths and trying to get all the machines put together. There's a lot that goes into it, I think, that a lot of people don't understand. There's more to it, you know, than the machine tool or the tooling or the work holding. It's about the people that are involved.
IMTS 22, we plan on carrying on the tradition at JTD and getting our team down there and looking at all the different technologies that we could maybe incorporate and help us grow.
Focusing on the tooling is probably going to be priority number one, and then number two would be work holding. The other thing we'll be looking at is automation. We strongly believe that it's the next tier. So it's basically coming from a manual machine shop that went into the CNC, and now you're going into the automation world.
I think adding automation to JTD is going to help keep us competitive. So if we're able to automate some of our processes, then our team will be able to work on those complicated jobs we want to take on.
The next big leap, in my personal opinion, and basically you need either get on board or get ran over. I mean, basically is what it comes down to.
I'm Jamie Sesing.
I'm Chad Sesing.
And you'll find us at IMTS.